This one is a 1948 Royal Arrow. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins, you just flip this cover back and you can just push them with your fingers or your thumb. And this left side has a magic margin and you just flip that and it'll send it to wherever you are on the platen. So I like my margin to be at the beginning. It's pretty good right there. And the end, so they're in good spots. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit the line space, bring you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. To switch from single to double, you just flip this switch forward, and it'll skip 2 spaces instead of 1. We're going to keep it on single and go back 2. I was able to fit all of the keys in one line because this has Elite typeface. Prints 12 characters per inch versus 10, so it's a little bit smaller and allows you to type more words on a page. On the next line, I'll type a sentence. Types very nice. You can type very fast on this machine. It's a very nice all-around machine. It's almost like unjammable, like almost like you think about like a rifle that doesn't ever jam up. This is how this model is. It's really nice. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. To pull out the paper easy, you flip this switch forward, releases the rollers underneath the platen, and this paper barrel too will stand up a little bit so you can pull paper out easy. Load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a backspace that works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To release the shift, you just hit the button again, and it's got a color selector switch here. You can go red, black, or nothing. Right now this is just a black ribbon on there, so you don't need to use that. Pop the hood. You got a touch control right here from 0 to 9. The higher you go, the higher the resistance when you're hitting the keys. The lower you go, the less resistance. This is the ribbon direction control. So right now it's pulling to the right because all the brand new ribbons on the left. So if you switch it to the left, it will start pulling to the left. We're going to keep that to the right for now. It's got a margin release. So when you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that stops you from typing. When you hit the margin release, it will allow you to continue to type past that margin to finish the word that you're typing. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.